friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 game crashing, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, first open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check for Forza Horizon 6 updates. So apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure to check for update option, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to clear Xbox cache. So deleting the cache of your Xbox can help to tackle the issue as it can occur due to temporary glitches. Follow the methods. Press Xbox symbol on your controller. Now move down to profile and system. Here choose settings, then click on system, click on console info. After that, select reset console. Now select reset and keep my games and apps option and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, click on remove accounts, choose the account to remove. After that, select remove option and then add the account again, and after that, launch the game and check. Next is to reinstall Forza Horizon 6 game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps and select see all option. Here select Forza Horizon 6 game, then press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Forza Horizon 6 official website and download the game, and after that, launch it and check. Next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you're coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they'll try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.